progress bar can be used to show what section of the presentation you're in. This can help your audience understand how far through your presentation they are and how far they have left to go. It can also help them link ideas between sections and give them a better understanding of the order of things. Here's a progress bar style that I like to use, and it just has a simple table here, one cell tall, and it's got 5 different cells wide for the 5 different sections. What we did is we just gave a background color to the section that we're in, and this can help a audience member understand that we're 2 out of 5 through his presentation, and we're doing sales before marketing and strategy, and it can help them kind of link the ideas that way, because if marketing's not covered here, that's fine, because they know that marketing will be covered next. Another style that you can use is shown here, which just has numbers for the different sections, and when we're in the current section, we put the name of it above. You can come up with different versions of that, but there are a lot of benefits to having that progress bar.